Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos, located right in the heart of San Jose del Cabo, a beautiful artist community, and right on an incredible beach. And right now I'm in one of their one-bedroom master suites. Now this particular one comes in an ocean view variety, and it also comes in their standard. The difference is the view. The ocean views are going to be up on the higher levels, and the others are going to be on the lower levels and also spread throughout the resort. It's a phenomenal room, and I can't wait to show you what it's all about. So as soon as you come in the door, you're going to have your light switch, and I did want to point out that you do need to have a key card in here at all times. Otherwise, it's going to turn the power off. This is an eco-friendly feature that they added in during the renovation. Now right here to my left, you're going to find a half bath. So you've got your toilet, the vanity right here. This is perfect if you're having friends over, if you're entertaining, but it's also really nice just to have a second bathroom. It's always a big advantage. Now as we continue in, you can see you have a full living or dining room table. What I love about this is, of course, you can take advantage of that fantastic room service menu, but in addition, if you're hosting people, if you're having friends over, you can host them right here. This particular resort we use with a lot of different kinds of groups, and having all of this fantastic space is perfect for a group leader, maybe a bride and groom, or just a friends and family group as well. Now we're into the living room. Here you can see the beautiful handmade Mexican tile on the floor. You see you've got 2 chairs here and a full couch. Now this pulls out into a full queen, and you can actually put 4 adults in this particular room. You've got a fan up above just like in the bedroom. I love that they have that because when I sleep, I love to have the air moving. You've got your phone, and one great touch that they added in is right next to here, you have 2 USB chargers and a US charger, which is perfect if somebody's using this for the bed. Now directly across, you're going to see the first of your flat panel TVs. In addition to being television, you can access the resort guide and all kinds of information on there. Just underneath, you've got your mini bar. This happens to be a club level room, so you're going to get some extra amenities. You've got that great club lounge you can access. They have an expanded bar menu. I love some of the upgrades that they have in there. And then of course you can take advantage of the concierge services throughout your stay. And another little feature is a couple extra alcohol amenities in the room. You have a ton more chargers as well. And one interesting feature that I wanted to point out is that you can actually purchase this with the lockout as well. You have a 2 double bedroom on the other side, so you can put it together for a nice large 2-bedroom. So now we're just inside the master bedroom, and as someone who travels with my family a lot, one of my favorite features, the door that shuts off, which gives you that extra level of privacy. Right here, you've got a thermostat. I just wanted to point that out because there's one in the other room. So if you want to sleep at 2 different temperatures, you can. Follow me into the master bathroom. It is a huge space. Over here to my right, you're gonna have the toilet. I love that they have the door that shuts. That's a really nice feature. You have a full double vanity right there. And one of those club level amenity kits right here is upgraded, you can tell. And then underneath, you're gonna have your hair dryer, and you also have the scale. I always try to avoid that when possible. And right there, you've got your backlit magnifying mirror and a couple other plugs. Over to your right, you're gonna see a large jacuzzi soaking tub. It's great for relaxation, or if you're traveling with your family. I know for me, that's always a fantastic bonus for my daughter. On the opposite side, you're gonna have your shower. It's a really good sized space. You've got a rainforest shower head, even fits me. And then you also have your shower wand as well. Now in this particular category, you have the closets in here. So you see you have your ironing board, some luggage storage. You also have hanging storage and storage up above as well. On the opposite side, you are going to see that you have your safe. And once again, because it's club level, you're gonna have your robe and slippers. Now, they have a phenomenal spa here on site. If you wanna check that out, or any of the spaces at the resort, you can check out our full resort tour where we go into all the restaurants, the lobby, the bars, the pool. You can see exactly what you're getting in this beautiful resort. Now, here you can see a full king-size bed. Next to the bed, you've got 2 USB chargers, a US plug, and a Bluetooth speaker. Once again, when they did the renovation, they added a ton of plugs in, and I really appreciate it. Directly across from the king-size bed, you have that second large flat panel TV. You got a small ottoman underneath to pull out and get ready, and then you also have storage up and down. On the other side of the bed, you have 2 USB chargers, a US plug, your phone, and your remote control. And I like these little reading lights so you don't have to disturb your partner in the evening when you're reading. As I continue along, you have a large table here with 2 chairs. Once again, a perfect place. Maybe you want to have some of that room service and not disturb those in the other room. And right here you have another one of those large beds that does pull out as well and convert into a bed. Now, what's so interesting about this category is having this that pulls out to a queen, the one in the living room, and then of course if you take the lockout with 2 more double beds as well. There is a ton of bedding features, which is so nice, especially when you're traveling with your family or a group. So now I'm out on the first of the balconies. You're right off of the living room area here. Of course, that is your social space. So I love that they have a great extension right out here. And then on the other side is the master bedroom balcony, total privacy off the bedroom. And then of course, if you get the lockout on the other side as well, you're gonna have another private balcony as well. So you can see how this is the perfect room for hosting guests as well. Now I'm headed out to the balcony that's attached to the master bedroom. I really like that they have that extra level of separation here. You've got 2 chairs and a small table. This is my favorite place to have a nice coffee in the morning. Look at the incredible, incredible ocean view that you have. And once again, this is an ocean view variety, so you're gonna get views of the pool area and also the ocean. If you are in one of the resort views, you're gonna be on the lower areas or somewhere else in the resort without quite as spectacular of an ocean view. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Hyatt Ziva or Zilara, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Playa Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with them. We do a ton of business, and so we know that we can help craft the perfect group, family vacation, whatever it is that you're looking for at an incredible value.